Buying a home in Maryland, pay attention because a huge change just hit our mortgage market and it could affect your ability to get a loan. Some lenders are already pulling out, and if you're not careful, you could end up with a lender that can't even close your loan. Let me explain how this is happening. Maryland just made a big regulatory change, expanding mortgage licensing rules. In simple terms, it means that some lenders and investors who used to buy and fund loans here need a special Maryland license. The problem, many of them aren't getting it. So this means fewer lenders, fewer loan options, and potentially higher interest rates for buyers. Here's why this matters to you. If your lender isn't licensed under the new rule, they may not be able to close your loan. Some lenders, like American Heritage Lending, have already stopped accepting new Maryland loan applications, and others may follow. This also affects the secondary mortgage market, where lenders sell loans to free up cash for new buyers. If fewer investors are buying Maryland loans, lenders might get stricter with approvals and increase rates or stop lending altogether. This is exactly why I always tell people to work with a lender who knows the Maryland market. A lot of online or out-of-state lenders might not be prepared for this change. And if the last thing you online and out-of-state lenders might not be prepared for this change. And the last thing you want is to be days from closing only to find out that your loan is delayed or denied because of a licensing issue. A good local lender will already be licensed, compliant, and ready to close your loan without any last-minute surprises. They also have a better relationship with the local underwriters, which means a smoother approval and better communication through the process. So if you're thinking about buying a home in Maryland, here's my advice. Before you commit to a lender, ask if they've been fully licensed and still funding in Maryland loans. And if you're not sure of who to trust, reach out. I know some great local lenders who are still actively lending here and can guide you through the process without any risk. Maryland real estate is already competitive. Don't let this lending issue take you out of the game. If you have questions, drop them in the comments or send me a message. I am here to help.